Hi from Brilliant Presets and welcome back to my channel. We just made another amazing Lightroom tutorial for you. And don't forget to subscribe for more videos. In this tutorial I will show you how to get moody caramel tones. So, let's start. At first, I will add more contrast to image. Turn contrast slider to 40. Then adjust blacks to 15. Highlights to -70. Then go to the color section. Here I adjust vibrance to 10. And then go to the effects section. Turn texture to -20. This will smooth skin texture. Dehaze to 20. This will give more contrast and details to the image. Then back to the light section and click on the curve button. Slide top point 2 down and lowest point 2 up. This will give your image a matte effect. Then add 2 points and adjust curve settings. You need to be very careful because this is a compassionate setting. Then you need to adjust each color hue and saturation settings. To do this, go to the color section and click on the mix button. For red color, turn hue to 12, saturation to -25, and luminance to -12. For orange color, turn hue to 7, saturation to -20, and luminance to 10. But for the yellow color, hue to -70, saturation to -30, and luminance to -8. And then small adjustments to green, turn hue to -6, and luminance to -15. For aqua, hue to 35, saturation to -70 and luminance to -10. And finally, for blue color, turn saturation to -70. Then go to effects section and click on split tone button. And move highlights point to the blue color side. And then shadows point to the blue color side, too. Then click on Done button. To get more moody feeling, turn vignette slider to left. This will add vignette effect.